Okay, ladies and gentlemen, this will be the final video for the Statistics Practice Quiz Solutions. Here we're dealing with Part D on number 3, which says, for the same Welcher Adult Intelligence Test that is normally distributed with a mean of 35 and a standard deviation of 6, what is the probability of getting a raw score between 28 and 38? So what we're looking at here is a pair of raw scores. In other words, we can call these X1 and X2. And what we have to do is convert both of them into z-scores, and then take those z-scores, look them up on the chart, and finally subtract them. So we'll call those z-scores z1 for x, which will compare to x1. So that would be 28, which is x1, minus the mean of 35, divided by the standard deviation of 6. So 28 minus 35 divided by 6 is going to be a z-score. Again, we're going to round that to the nearest hundredth of 1.17. 1.17. Negative 1.17. For the second z-score, we're going to take the 38 minus 35 and divide by 6. Again, that is x2 minus the mean divided by the standard deviation. That is a z-score of 0.50. So we're going to look each of these up. For the first one, we're going to be on the negative side, column negative 1.1 and row 0.07. So we go to the negative side of our chart and we look that number up. Negative 1.1, row 0.07 is 0.1210. Okay, that is a 0.1210. And again, you should be confirming this on your own charts. Okay, for the second one, we're going to go to the positive side, column 0.5 and row 0.00. Okay, so we go to the positive side of our z-score chart. We go to 0.05. It's the first number in the list, 0.6915. Again, that's 0.6915. So then what we're going to do is we're going to subtract the bigger of those two numbers, which is 0.6915, minus the smaller of those numbers, which is 0.1210. And we get 0.5705, which means the answer to this question would be 57.05%. And again, we should be putting that into words. We should be saying the probability of getting a raw score between 28 and 38 is 57.05%. Again, ladies and gentlemen, you need to make sure that you are preparing yourselves to take this quiz. It is going to be digitized. I am still debating exactly how I'm going to do that. It will probably be a Google form. So everyone needs to be sure that they have access to their email. Folks, if you have any questions, email me. Tell me the number and the part, if applicable, of the problem that you are having a problem with, and I will get back to you. This is going to be a big challenge for us to learn this way over the next several weeks, but we don't have much choice. So make sure that you are being responsible and working hard. Thank you.